Let's demonstrate how to use the Quick Select tool to select this flagpole and the flag. I'm going to first unlock the layer by clicking on the lock, and then I'm going to grab the Quick Select tool. Now, one important thing to note is sometimes having a smaller brush works better with the Quick Select tool than a bigger one, and I always have this auto enhance on because it really does help. It uses a little bit of artificial intelligence. So with my brush kind of small, I'm going to just start right here and try to keep that circle of the brush inside the areas that I am selecting. And you'll notice that it tries to go out and find the edges of what you're selecting. And so now I'm going to go into the flag. And I'll get close to the edge, but I'm not going to leave the confines of that flag. Now, when you have things selected, you can press Q for Quick Mask and have a quick look at whatever you have missed there, and then Q again to turn it back off. By default, you can just go ahead and click in those areas that you missed, and those will automatically be added. Now, if you hold your Option key down, it will turn into a minus, and you can catch edges where it shouldn't have gone. And for this exercise, I'm not going to worry about the lines of the flagpole, but this will be good enough. So again, let's hit Quick Mask, Q. Looks like I have one little area up here where I could use just a little bit more help. And so Q to turn the Quick Mask off, and I'll just come up in here and get as close as I can. I kind of went outside of the edge there. So I'll hold my Option or Alt key down and just go back in there. Let's take a look again. That looks pretty good. And so if I wanted to jump this up on a new layer, I would just go Command J or Control J, and then I could turn the bottom layer off and see what I came up with. Looks pretty good. One of the things that you can do, I'm going to Command click on that to get my selection back and throw this layer away. We can always come up into Select and Mask, and we can see what we've got or what we are missing by sliding this opacity slider that's in onion skin or on black mode. And we can use this brush right here to bring in that line. And again, let's decontaminate colors. And we'll output to a new layer with a layer mask. I'm going to turn on the background layer, hold my Option or Alt key down and hit backspace or delete. Whoops, I was on the wrong layer there. That's so easy to do. Try that again. And then we can see that against the black background. We've actually done a pretty good job there. Maybe just a little more cleanup on the mask right there, and we're good to go.